Hello! It's time for our phonics lessons again. And today we're going to discuss about words that begins with the g sound or the letter G. Pay attention and I will show you pictures that begins with the g sound or the letter G. The first picture I want to show you is G for grandfather. G makes the sound g. The next picture is G for girl. G for girl. The next picture is G for grapes. G for grapes. The last picture I want to show you is G for goat. G for goat. This is the letter G, and the letter G makes the g sound. Okay friends, this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you will have a nice day. See you next time.